teachers. Today my topic is effective teaching skills (ELC) and equals to effective learning. What is effective means? Effective means when we teach a child or a student and when he gives a proper feedback. That is called effective teaching equals to effective learning. Basically, we need four basic skills for effective teaching. First is reading. Reading, you have to improve your reading first. Basically, slowly and gradually it will occur to you. Basically, you have to do with small paragraph first, then but you have to do this activity daily. You can go for picture books, comic books first, means small comics books or Hindi comics book like Chacha Chaudhary or like English comics books like Tinkle. Then the basic thing is you have to carry a dictionary and a pocket book, pocket notebook, diary, because these two things are very important. First is dictionary, because if you are stuck in a word, then you have to look at the word immediately in the dictionary, then you can become familiar with it, and with a pocket notebook you can write down whatever idea or whatever thing comes to your mind. Then if you want to learn a particular language, suppose you want to learn English, then you have to go through, there is an app called Duolingo. You can type or you can go to Google Translate, you can translate Hindi into English. Then you can easily, slowly and gradually you will catch up with reading. Okay? Newspaper, online journals, they are very important. Slowly, always remember, slowly and gradually, but steadily will win the race. Okay? And that will be your daily task. Okay? Then blogs, that is reading. Reading means you have to read a paragraph daily in a new language or in your basic your subject for effective learning. Effective teaching equals to effective learning. Then comes writing. What is writing? Writing means how you convey your thoughts or ideas to paper, or suppose internet, that word file. Okay. So you have to start with small things, paragraphs, letters, slowly and gradually. Always remember, slowly and gradually you will catch up with this. Okay. And same Duolingo app you can download. That from there also you can learn the writing of the language. Okay. Then you can start a blog, or suppose you do Facebook or WhatsApp. Try to write in a new language. Always remember, if you make mistake in a new language, you are trying to learn a new language. So you are not doing it wrong. You are trying to learn something new. So you are really a fighter and you can do it. Okay? That is called writing. Reading and writing are very important because they are required to produce a new language, produce a new idea. Okay? Then there are two more important things. Listening. Listening is your best companion. If you can listen properly to anyone, then you can do it easily. Because everybody wants a good listener. If you can catch up what is being said on TV, radio or wherever, and you can catch and jot down, then you can really do the proper thing to yourself. You can be more effective if you are a great listener or good listener. Every conversation needs a listener. Okay? Then whenever you are listening to a song, hear it properly, write it down, Hindi, English, whatever. Okay? Or if you are in your subject, if you are, suppose it's a Deshbhakti Geet, then you can write it down by listening, only listening, not taking it down from somewhere else. Okay? Then write down words which you don't recognize. Suppose there is a word called juxtapose, and you don't know what is juxtapose, what does juxtapose mean. So you have to be You have to be very clear. You have to jot down it, go to the dictionary, put it in a sentence, be very thorough, to it and churn it. So you will learn the particular word. Okay. So listening is very important to write and read also. Means everything is important basically, all four skills, but listening is very important. And if you couldn't analyze or understand what is being said, try to listen it number of times. Don't accept defeat easily. Unless and until it's a major problem, go to your teacher. Your teacher will explain it to you. Okay, that is the listening. Then speaking. Speaking is what I am doing. Speaking could be a monologue, one-on-one. Only I am talking to no one else, or dialogue, or to many people. Okay, speaking is a bit difficult task because sometimes we miss the grammar, sometimes we miss a grammar part, but never ever surrender to grammar part. No, it doesn't matter. In the whole world, there is not a one English speaking person who could speak in English or Hindi or any language 100% fluently. So never lose hope. Even if you could speak 20% correctly in English, Hindi, or you are learning. You are learning. So speak up. Don't hesitate at all. Be your own guide because you are your best teacher. Always be a learner. Always consider yourself a zero because only an empty cup could be filled, not a filled cup. Okay. So speaking is the last of the skills. If you are having any problem, find a teacher, language teacher, okay, and then your subject teacher or conversation partner online. Try to speak in any language which you want to consider because language is necessary to understand every subject. Be it sociology, political science or history, you have to be a conversant in language first, and language needs to be clear in your head. And don't hesitate at all. No one is 100% perfect and no one is a zero. Okay? So you are your teacher, we are your teacher, we all could make a difference, okay, and meet up, and it will be your best solution. So reading, writing, listening, speaking, these are effective teaching equal to effective learning. Okay, thank you so much.